Shani, coming to you today with another gorgeous look. Today, you guys, I was feeling very girly, very pink and purple, rainbows and fairies and sunshine and butterflies, all that good stuff. So I decided to do a pretty cut crease for you guys today. I hope you guys like this. Also, you guys, remember that I'm still having my giveaway. Last I checked, I was at 80 subscribers, so we only need 20 more of your friends, family members, aunties, uncles, cousins, everybody. Just tell them to come in and join in on the good fun. You know, we have fun around these parts. So go ahead and refer a friend. I'm gonna go ahead and post the card right here for my previous videos showing you how you need or what you need to do to be entered to win on the giveaway. So go ahead and check out those last videos so that you can be in the know and so that you can get in on this free stuff. Make sure you guys also follow me on social media. I will appreciate that. I'll put my names on the screens and I'll also link it down below in the description. So just stay tuned. We're going to get right into it. But before we do, always remember to like, subscribe, comment, hit the post notification bell so that you can be the first to know when your girl's dropping a new video. I'll talk to you guys later. Love you guys. Peace.
Alright guys, let's get started. I don't know what song I was singing, but I was definitely going in hard, okay? But you guys, I'm just going ahead with my eyebrows, using an eyebrow pencil to shaping up my eyebrows. And we're just going to go there and make them really dark, you guys. And you see I'm kind of like trying to make sure that they are matching. But remember, eyebrows are twins, are sisters, not twins. So they won't be 100% perfect, but we wanted to get them close enough. So I'm just going in and darkening up those eyebrows. Now I'm going to go in with my Pro Concealer in the color Fawn on top of my eyebrows. And we're going to just go ahead and shape those out. Now we're just going to go in and blend that out. I'm going to grab a sponge and just start to tap that product in. And now I'm going to go in with my Pro Concealer in the color Pure Beige. That is a lighter concealer, and we're going to go ahead and put that all over the eye. It's also going to act as our eyeshadow base as well. So we're just going to put that all over both eyes. And then I'm also going to just shape up under my eyebrow as well using that color. And now I'm just going in with the sponge and just making sure I blend that out, making sure we're tapping and not swiping because we don't want to lose the color of that concealer. Alrighty, now we're going to start with our eyeshadow. I'm going in with the Warrior 3 palette by Juvia's Place, and we're going to go in with that purple and pink color you see there. We're going to start with the pink color first. And we're just going to take that on the inner corner of our eye and just patting that color in, you guys. You're going to put a lot of color. It's going to look crazy. It's going to look super bright. We do that because when we start to blend, we don't want to lose all the color because you will be doing a lot of blending. So you put on as much color as you can before you start to blend. So I'm just patting that color in. I'm not really swiping it. I'm just going to pat it in. Then I'm going to go in with another brush and I'm going to get that purple color and put it right next to that pink color and just pat that color in as well. Pack it on there. And then you'll see me start to lightly blend it in with the pink. Now I'm just going to go in with my blending brush. I didn't put any product on it. And I'm just kind of making those colors meet by just going in a circular motion right where those colors meet and just blend them together. Now I'm just going in and just blending all over the eyeshadow. Kind of blending up so that that eyeshadow can move upward. And this is the longest part, you guys. It's just a lot of blending. As you can see, it's starting to blend well. Move up into the eyebrow area. but I'm also losing color. That's why you pack it on. So you will see me dipping back into those colors, kind of giving it more, putting more color back into that eyeshadow there. But I'm just gonna blend away. And while I'm blending, make sure y'all like and subscribe and comment. And again, I'm just going in with that e.l.f. concealer brush and packing on more of that color. I did both the purple and the pink. I'm sorry you guys, I didn't know I had the palette up in the camera, but I was just putting on more pink. And now I'm gonna just go ahead and lightly blend those together, but I'm not gonna blend as much because again, I don't want to lose the color. So just to kind of make them mesh together. Just blend, blend, blend. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. I'm using that Pure Beige Pro Concealer again to cut the crease. And you guys, I started low and I just started to work it up as high as I wanted it to go. So until I was happy, I just inched it up a bit. Like I mentioned before, you always want to start low because you can always go higher, but once you've started too high, it's harder to go back down low. You almost have to start all over again. So now I got it where I want it to be. Now I'm just going ahead and filling in that concealer. Oh, looks like it went up a little bit higher. There we go. Now put just a little bit more concealer on there. As that pink and purple was just coming through, so I didn't want that to blend in with our cut crease colors. So I just put a little bit more on there and allowed it to dry down just a bit. Now I'm going in with the Juvia's Place, the Magic Mini, and I'm using those three colors there. One is a purple shimmery color, one's a light pink shimmery color, and one is like a fuchsia shimmery color. So I'm going to start with the purple shimmery color on the outer corner of the eye. And I did wet my brush, you guys. I know you guys seen that, but I wet my brush to help pick up the color better and bring out those colors. So I'm just going on the outside. And stopping right before we get to the center. And just pack that color on, you guys. And now I'm going in with that light pink, and I'm just doing the inner corner of the eye. Same process, just keep going in and packing that color on until you're satisfied with the outcome. And now I'm just going in with that fuchsia color in the center, that sparkly, or not sparkly. And just make sure you just blend those three colors all together. Just tapping and swiping it over right on the edges. Alright guys, now I'm just going in with my NYX liquid liner, the marker. And we're not going to do a dramatic wing, just a little baby wing. And now I'm going in with the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleaning Water. You guys, this is really good. It just cleans up any extra shadow that you don't want or liner, and it just sharpens up the look. So I just took a Q-tip and now I'm just cleaning off the excess there. Now I'm just going in with some mascara and getting all that extra fallout that fell onto my lashes off. And I'm going to go in with my waterline with just a black eyeliner. Alright, and we got both eyes done. As you can see, I added some of that purple and pink under my eye waterline. And now I'm going in with my Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation in the color Nairobi 410. Oh, and I added my eyelashes too, guys. Oh, and I'm going in with this e.l.f. Nourishing Facial Oil. I just mixed that in with my foundation because foundation can be pretty drying. And so mine dries up pretty bad under my cheeks. So I just mix in that oil with the foundation and it kind of keeps your face moisturized. And now I'm just going to blend it all out. Now I'm just going in with the I Am Magic in the color 13, concealer in the color 13. And we're just going to highlight our face, bring back some of that color. And blend that out. Alright, you guys, now I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place foundation stick in the color Nambia, and I'm going to use this as a contour, and we're just going to go ahead and contour our cheeks and forehead as usual and blend that out. And then you just want to touch up any problem areas that you see as you're blending. Now I'm just going to go ahead and set my concealer using the Ben Nye setting powder in the color Banana. And I'm not gonna bake, you guys. I'm just gonna set it and then go in and wipe it off there. Well, I lied. I let it bake for just a little bit, but not too long, you guys. Now I'm going to go in and just highlight my cheeks using the Sleek palette. And their highlighter there. Put it on my cheeks, on my forehead, and then on my nose. And then right on my lip, right on the top of my lip. Now I'm going in with my MAC Rebel lipstick. And we're going to do a little ombre look again using the NYX color lipstick in the color Pale Pink and just placing that in the center. And Just blot it out until you like it, get the perfect look. Alright guys, and there we go. This is the finished product. I hope you guys like this pink and purple look I brought to you guys. You guys stay tuned. I'm going to be doing some more fun looks. And always remember to like, subscribe, comment, hit the post notification bell while I dance there. And I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out. Love you guys.